Hello, welcome back my cherished viewers to Kerensha training workshop. Please remember to click on the subscribe button below. In this video, I want to introduce you to the items that are required for shower gel making. Viewers, this is the first part. Please join me in my next video to learn the process of making shower gel. Let's start with the first item on our list. On our list, we have 1 kilogram of base. We also have our thickener liquid, our thickener powder, and our booster liquid. We also have our booster right here, and also we have our salt. We have our citric acid. We have our pure honey, our essential oil, our glycerin, our sulfonic acid. We also have different types of perfumes here, which I'm going to use. I'm going to mix them all together to make a very perfect perfume, which you love. I also have my pearlizer, my vitamin E, my preservative, my color, my lanolin. I also have my bowl here, which I'm going to use for the mixture. I also have with me 12 liters of water, which I'm going to use for the 1 kilogram of base. Also, you can also add egg, milk, or aloe vera gel, and this will make your shower gel a very effective one, which you love. It will be very good on your skin. Thanks so much, viewers. Please always remember to click on the subscribe button below. Please join me in my next video, which is the process of making shower gel. Thank you.